game is under the supervision of our city officials of the city of Dasmariñas and the referees in charge, Crew Chief Lisa Velos, umpire number 1 Michael Cecilio, umpire number 2 Ronwell Ramos of the A-Star Management first quarter. Possession will stay para sa Barangay San Jose. Here's Little Guy on the top of the key as he sets things up. Inside, Quick J misfires. Possession stays under the 14 seconds on the shot line. The house will go on player number 9. And the foul will be called on player number 11. That will be his first personal in the team foul. Team foul number 1, team foul number 2 rather. That is a 2-4-2. Para the player number 1 of Barangay San Jose, that is Tomamaw. And third will be Ozone, and the foul will be called on player number 9. That is Patrick Guzumay having his first personal. Team foul number 1 for the Barangay San Jose, 40 on the shot clock. It's out. Here's Sean. Okay, bola para kay player number 9, one-hander. Dribble bucket, not this time, but here's number 9. Tries to seize it, but it came too short. Here's Little Time. In and out across his Aatake. Takes out, back it over. Here's number 21. Look try. Look at that. Got it in player number 21. That is Michael Apina. Cross passes. Here's Stanislao. Tightly guarded. Fake passes. Cross court. Side step. Cutting teammate. Lays it off. Misfires. There's Stanislao with a counter. And one finish. And a foul being called on player number. Foul player number 2. Inside, kicks out, right corner, 4-3. Misses. Here's number 9. Cruz on the move. Takes out once again, deflected. Here's Michael. Lays it off. And it will be a whistle. And a foul has been called on player number 27. That is Baro having his first personal and a team foul number 4. That is a 1 out of 2 para kay Michael Apina on that 4.5-meter line. Takes out once again. Here's San Antonio. Bigay bola para number 29. Here's Stanislao. Hempen, long three. Came too strong on that shot. Possession will stay for Barangay San Jose. here's Mike off the reserve line, Patrick for three. Misfires, possession goes out bounds and goes to the other. Here's Patrick. Hat off. Lays it off. Lays it in. Look at that. Lay up. Kay Cantoya from that layup. Here's the San Antonio. Long three. Misfires. Out and down. Down low. With the counter and one finish. And that's the goal of player number 27. Second personal rebound. Number 4. Substitution. Fabian checks in, replacing player number 9. That is just in the left Cruz. At the line, hitting the bonus, Mike and Hapin. The basket has a free thrower violation, substitution. Jumping the head of checks in, replacing player number 29. That is J. Andrew Batani of Barangay San Antonio de Padua. Here's Fabian with a down low. Crossway passes. Inside. Hand it over. There will be a traveling. Here's Habib, kicks out para Ida's line. Here's Patrick, down low, a vertical whistle and the bell's been pulled on. Ooh, that is stepping on the line violation that has been committed by Barangay San Jose. Here's the San Antonio de Padua. On the transition, setting things off, inside passes. Hand it over. On the top of the key, Naiba Navarro. Hesitation move, forces off the gas, not this time. Out and now. Here's number 16, ladies and gentlemen. That is Christian Apina on that play. Here's Hepburn on the top of the key. As it goes in his way through. One-hander. Getting the miss. Ball will stay. 40 on the shot clock. San Antonio de Padua 2. Time remaining 4 minutes and 43 seconds to the score of the and there will be a war zone and that will be called on player number 19. That is John Daisel Evangelista having his first personal beat down, number 3. Here's Hepburn attacking, but there will be a traveling. A single footstep. Has to attack between 2 defenders, but here's Patrick taking a first step. Attacking with a corner shot. Good contest, out and now. Here's Hepburn with a wide open off the glass and skip and a bound basket and a counter end of fair by player number 18. Second personal rebound number 4 at the line hitting the bonus. Hepburn is down. Substitution. Justin Ryan Santos checks in, replacing one player for Barangay San Antonio de Padua 2 at the line hitting the bonus. Hepburn is down. And the lead is down at the 5. Here's Patrick on the top of the key. Bigay bola para number 2. Acting over para number 9. Here's Christian. Inside passes. Spins away. Kicks out. Down low. But there will be a 3 seconds violation. Substitution. Joshua Louis checks in, replacing player number 26. That is Generoso Senna Jr. Here's Fabian, bigay bola para kay Joshua. Fires from downtown. 3, Joshua Louis. Here's Patrick once again. Inside passes. Chunk fake. Loses it, but there will be over zone. And the ball is hold on. Player number 20. And that was the hold on, jumping ahead, having his first personal penalty. At the line, shooting 2, player number 4, John Paul Kalinawan. First shot is good by the JP Kalinawan on that free throw line, second throw. That is a 1 out of 2 by JP. But here's Henry attacking as he loses that chance. As he loses that leather on that transition. Possession will stay for Barangay San Jose. Here's number 7. As he set things up. Bigay bola para kay Patrick. Off the player number 7. Handed over by Christian. Ball stolen. Tries to give it alive. Possession will stay for Barangay. Subdivision for both teams. Chris Evan Kalinawan checks in, replacing Patrick Resultay. Carl Sena checks in, replacing Henry Stanislaw. 3 minutes remaining. And it over by Joshua. Here's Louis once again on the transition. Kicks out for 3. From downtown 3. Finish and about the goal of player number 7, that is Mark Stevens, first personal. At the line, getting the bonus, Jumper Tapera. Here's number 3, loses it, second serving, not this time. Possession, ball, stolen. Here's number 13, Joshua with a down low, kicks out, Tahela once again. Press flyers, out and down, here's Christian, being on the move, lays it on, misses. Here's Joshua, with a ball out of the cover, here's Tahela, off from 9. Here's Lauren, kicks out, on the left corner, fires, bounces out. There will be a whistle, and a foul has been called on player number 3. That is Disney Santos. First personal penalty, timeout, Barangay San Jose. 2 minutes. That is a 2-4-2 on that free throw line. Here's Joshua on the top of the key as he sets things up. Shot clock down to 15. Spins away, kicks out. Here's Fabian. Atake, kicks out once again. Applies a 3. Misses. Here's number 3. Almost a good save, but here's Kalinawan on a side step. Loses that leather, but the ball will stay with a 90 seconds on the shot clock. All players, please proceed in their respective benches. Again, all players, please proceed to the shaded area in front of your benches. Both teams are advised to observe proper bench decorum. Again, all players, please proceed to the shaded area in front of your benches. Both teams are advised to observe proper bench decorum. A foul has been called on player number 7 for Barangay San Jose, that is Mark Stevens. That will be his first personal. And a foul has been called on, a technical foul has been called on both teams is under the penalty situation. 2 shots for Jobert Nahera. First shot is good by Jobert Nahera. Once again, second personal for the both players inside the court under the 1 minute 22 seconds, second throw. That is a 1 out of 2. Here's out and now. Bigay bola para kay Mark. Here's Stevens on the top of D as he sets things up. Takes out once again. Here's Stevens. Down the passes. Deflection. Out and now. Here's Fabian and uses it. Substitution. Dexter Durango checks in. And John Tyson Evangelista checks in. Replacing Hapin. And 1 players again for Barangay San Jose. Here's Mark. Okay, bola para kay number 19. Fires at 3. Not this time. Here's Fabian. Taking one step between 2 defenders. Kicks out. Here's Joshua. Hand it over. Nahera for 3. From downtown 3. Jobert Nahera with the take on. But here's Barangay San Jose. Will they take an answer for that? Here's Dexter. As the mountain is going through. Pushing down is the hold on player number 12. That is Carlos Sena. Penalty at the line, shooting to Dexter to Mama. That foul has been called as the first personal. First shot is beat by Dexter on that free throw line. Second throw. As he bars it up, not this time. But here's San Antonio, 10 on the shot clock. 11 seconds on the team clock remaining. 9 seconds to shoot inside. Fabian kicks out. Jay, not this time. Here's Dexter. 3 seconds remaining. Kicks out for 3. Second quarter. Here's Sena bigay bola para kay Joshua. Here's Uy. Cross-court pass para kay Hepman. Here's Hepman. Kicks out once again. Quick J. Not this time. And here's Sena with an offensive foul. Offensive foul has been called on player number 26. And that is in Rosa Sena with with our first personal, team number 1 for San Antonio Divided 2. Out it now para kay Kalinawan, 4-3, misfires. Out it now para kay Joshua, here's Louie, crosses over, kicks out once again. Here's Hempel, bigay bola para kay Joshua. Here's Louie, 10 on the shot clock, 4-3. Not this time, here's Dexter with an outlet pass, on to Kalinawan, here's Kalinawan, goes all the way. That is Chris Evan Kalinawan having a foul basket and 1 and a foul to goal on. That is an easy 3-point play para kay Chris Evan Kalinawan and a foul to goal earlier. Galing kay Joshua Uy of Barangay San Antonio Divided 2. Here's Joshua. Bigay bola para Hempel. 10 to shoot. Ball stolen out and now. Here's Evans. Once again, not this time. And a foul has been called on player number 24. That is Hempel is down first personal. And a team foul number 3. 17 seconds on the shot clock. Inside passes. There will be a whistle and that's a traveling. Possession will stay for by San Antonio Divided 2. Here's Joshua as it brings in the leather now. 20 seconds on the shot clock. Crosses over inside. Kicks out. Loses it. As the player steps in the line, but here's San Jose, and there will be a whistle. All players, please proceed to the respective benches. Again, all players, please proceed in the seated area in front of their benches. Both teams are advised to insert proper bench together. Again, all players, please proceed within the respective benches. Both teams are advised to insert proper bench together. Again, all players, please proceed to the seated area in front of your benches. Both teams are advised to insert proper bench together. A foul has been called on player number 26. That is Generoso Sena. And a technical foul has been called for Generoso Sena. Court is respecting the officials. That will be his 3rd personal foul para player number 26 of Barangay San Antonio Divided 2. At the line, shooting the technical free throw, player number 19. John Diesel Evangelista. That beats the San Antonio Divided to a penalty. 2 free throws still for Barangay San Jose. At the line, shooting 2. John Evangelista. That is a 3 out of 3 para kay John Evangelista on the free throw line. Let's back on the ball game. 2 minutes has been gone on our 2nd quarter. But here's Mamiya and loses it. Kicks out once again. Inside passes and also bigay bola para kay Corey. Inside, behind the back. Here's Joshua. Shot down to 5. Forces. ball. Possession stays for Barangay San Jose. Here's Evans. Bigay bola para kay number 7. Down low passes, step connected. Here's Heckman with the letter. Taking a quick step to one who was on defense as he lost his way through. Spins away. Heckman with the room. Not this time. They're now keeping it alive. Here's Joshua with a stop and play. Miss Myers. Heckman with the rebound. Possession will stay para kay San Jose. Here's number 19 ang atake. That is John Evangelista having his third personal. And a team foul, number 1. Here's Joshua as he brings it in, inside, kicks out, between defenders, misses the chance. Possession number 2 for Barangay San Jose. 22-19, 3 points in. Here's Dexter, atake, reverse lane, not this time. Here's Evangelista. Red reversal and a balance to go ball, player number 1. Chico Valentino having his first personal penalty submission. That is the defense in, replacing Dexter Navarro at the line, shooting 2, John Evangelista. First shot is para kay player number 19, that is Evangelista, up on kay San Jose. That is a 1-on-2 by Johnny Evangelista on that free throw line. Kicks out once again. Here's Joshua, fires a 3. From downtown 3, Joshua, here's Evangelista once again. Possession goes into the other. And out, here's Fabian, kicks out, Joshua once again. On that defender, quick handoff on the head, kicks out. Jumper, Miss Myers. Here's the San Antonio keeping it alive. Crosses, down low passes. Here's Inaroso, on the glass, no good. Here's Evangelista, tightly guarded. Breaking that defense, inside passes, calling teammate. Evangelista goes all the way. 3-point lead now. Para sa Barangay San Jose, here's Chico fires, misses. Here's Kalinawan. Inside pass, down low. Here's number 4, off the back, JP Kalinawan. Now para kay Joshua. Here's Joshua on the right wing. Huge speed right there. Got a space now. Down low passes. Wrong man teammate. Oh my! Look at that ball movement. Para sa Barangay San Antonio. to have that point from the down low. Here's Kalinawan. Bola para kay number 9. Number 4. Lays it up. Misfires. Here's Heaven. Taking a shot. Loses his balance. And there be Ozone. And that was a goal on player number 30. Second personal. Team foul penalty. And at the line, shooting 2, player number 27, Chris Evans, Ivan Kalinawan. First shot is good para kay Evan Kalinawan. Out and now, here's Uy, one-hander, first around, and also takes it, second serving, there will be Ozone, and that was the gold on clear number 21. That'll be his first personal team foul number 2 for Barangay San Jose, and that player is Michael Habin. That is 0 out of 2. Here's number 16, and there will be a pushing foul, and that will be on player number 20. That will be his third personal and a team foul penalty. Here's Fabian, inside passes, up to Joshua. Here's Uy with a one-hander up and down. Smith fires his alleys, wins the rebound now. Big bola by Chris. Here's Evan. Kicks out once again, off the Kalinawan. Here's Kalinawan. Para is Ulay, down low. Here's Alice. Alice for 3. Here's Fabiano once again inside to Tolentino, fade away, kicks out, jumper is good. Jumper Lahera. Here's Patrick. Good. That is a good call, Snowden, and a foul is called on. Player number 9 that is Patrick is on 9. Having the second person on the team foul number 3, substitution. As Aiden Cavaliero checks in, replacing Kalinawan. Here's Tolentino, spins away, inside passes, Tahera with a breakaway tray. Jumper Tahera. Possession will stay, substitution. Jay Kazani checks in, replacing Joshua Uy, 19 on the shot clock. Here's Cavaliero with a goal number 16. Here's Patrick. Cross-court passes. to Amin Christian, kicks out to Valero, kicks out once again. Fake passes, drives, out and down. Here's number 28 from John, number 3, getting the miss. Substitution. Justin Cruz checks in. Replacing player 1, Tito Valentino. And substitution was made. Carlos Sena checks in, replacing player number 28. That is John Carlos. Here's Caballero to be ball by Patrick. Off to Caballero. 15 on the shot clock. Here's Patrick, number 3. And Villaville whistle, and the foul has been closed on. Player number 29. That is Jake Manani having his first personal penalty. That is second personal rather. Team foul penalty at the line shooting 2-player Ryan Patrick is play. Here's Patani taking a quick step and stopping that down. And that is a quick finish. Here's Little 5. A ball out para kay Hamid. Off to Caballero. Here's Caballero. Down low. Deflection. Off to Addis. Here's Luther. Loses it. And Little Rizzo. And the foul has been called on all players. Please receive a shaded area in front of your benches. Both teams are advised to observe proper bench decorum. Again, all players, please proceed to the shaded area in front of your benches. Both teams are advised to observe proper bench decorum. Fourth player, 27, once again, Jerez Balobalo having his third personal. The foul has been called on player number 12. 2 free throws for Alex Lodrin. That will be his second personal in the team. That is will be second personal foul for player 12. That is Carlos Sena. Ball goes out of bounds. Here's Patani. Crosses. Good defense. Having a Caballero right there. 10 on the shot clock. Here's Jay. Inside, deflection. Here's number 16, taking a quick step now. Here's the beam, off to Hyden, goes it in. Look at that happy connection. All that movement, all that transition, under this 1 minute remaining. Here's Cruz, inside, forces, and third wheel whistle, and the foul will go on. Player number 11. And that would be Aiden Caballero having his first personal team foul, number 4. Here's Cruz. Okay, bola para Caballero. Fires a 3. Misfires. Here's Patrick. Out there para Addis. Here's Addis. On the line. For the blue whistle. And a foul has been called on player number 20. That would be his fourth personal for Robert Mera at the line, shooting 2, Alex Lodrin. First shot is good by Aris Madrid. At the line, shooting one once again. Aris Madrid. Out and now, shot on his off. Here's Topper. Clear number 23. Bouncing goal to player number 29. Running his third personal. Team ball bouncing at the line, shooting two. Adrian Caballero. And player number 16. That is Christian Abina, having his first personal. First personal for the players. First personal foul for player number 28. That is John Barry Fabian having his first personal. And a foul is called on player number 16. That is Christian Abin with his second personal. Both teams are on your foul consideration. 7 seconds remaining on their second quarter. Out and now, here's Jay Batani. Not this time, getting the miss. And that's the end of our second quarter or the first half. With all the score of 30. Here's San Antonio Fabian once again, cross-court passes. Here's Efren as he dodges his way through. Got the line from Derby Whistle, and the foul has been called on player number 2. And that would be Cantona having his first personal. Team foul number 1 of this third quarter for Barangay San Jose at the line, shooting 2. Player number 24, Hempen is Stanislao. Our first shot business para kay Hempen. That is 1 out of 2 para kay Hempen. Is now on at free throw line. But here's Patrick on the top of the key. Fake shot, takes out, winds it up a 3. Not this time. And there will be Ozo, and the foul will be called on player number 21. And that is Michael Amin having his second personal, team foul number 2. Here's Senna, kicks out para kay Joshua, fires it off, misses. Here's Michael, bigay bola para kay Patrick. Here's Little Noy, in and out, knocking, down the line, oh my, look at by John Cantola. In and out is number 1, Chito. On to Joshua. Uri. Here's Patrick breaking through the defense inside. The third whistle, and a foul has been called on player number 24. That is Hepburn Stanislao having his second personal in the team foul number 1. At the line, shooting 2, Patrick Desultay. And the first shot misses by Patrick on that free throw line, second throw. That is a 1 out of 2 getting Patrick Desultay. Here's Fabian, inside passes, kicks out, here's Joshua. Step for 3, Ford fires, misses. Battling for that rebound. Here's Cantola as he wins that rebound. Taking away step now. On to Aris. Here's Aris. Rodrigo with the finish. Aris Rodrigo. The lead is off to 8 now. Para sa Barangay San Jose. Inside passes. Spins away. Quick handoff. Para Chito. One-hander, no good. Here's Cantola, off to that rebound. Taking a quick step now. Here's Cantola, throws it. But there will be a whistle. And a foul has been called on player number 1. That is Chito Tolentino. Third personal. Team foul number 2. Ball stays 7 seconds on a shot clock. Here's Patrick. Throws it. Hand it over, down low passes. Here's Cantola with a fadeaway J. Not this time as it expires. Out and now, kicks out. Fires a 3. From downtown 3. That is John Fabian away the 3-pointer to make the lead. Down in the 5. Here's Patrick. Down low passes para kay Aris. Deep movement right there, but not a great finish. Here's Epe, up to Fabian. Once again, 6-5. John Fabian, 3. That is a 2 3-pointers on the same spot. And the lead is down into 2. Kicks out once again. Here's number 16 with a pull up J. Misfires, but there will be a whistle. And now is the player number 2. That is Giovanni Cantola having his third personal rather. And a team foul number 3. Possession will stay for the San Antonio de Padua 2. This would be a great opportunity for the Barangay San Antonio to make the lead into a tie or to take the lead into 1. Inside pattern. Here's Seba, lays it off. Hempel takes it away, kicks out to like Joshua. Here's Joshua. Bigay bola, contact down low. Possession will stay. Possession will stay. 18 seconds on the shot clock. Here's number 7, Stevens for 3. Tries to answer, but here's Alice on the rebound. But there will be a stepping on the line. 41-39. 2-point lead still for Barangay San Jose. This is another opportunity and a chance para sa Barangay San Antonio to take the lead. Here's Chico behind the back. Roses sticks out. Here's Joshua. 13 on the shot clock. Up to Fabian. Fires. Not this time. Hempel to stop the line once again. But here's Aris Rodrigo. Take a one step now. 3v2. Plays it off and in. Aris Rodrigo. Here's Fabian. High running, but there will be a whistle on the bounce. Player number 24. That will be his first personal lead foul. Number 4 at 20 seconds on the shot clock. Here's Joshua on the top of the heat as he sets things up. Bigay bola pa kay Sena. Quick handoff deflected. But ball keeps alive. The third view whistle. And that is the ball of player number 16. Third personal team foul penalty. At the line, shooting 2. Player number 26. And Adolfo Sena. That is a 2-4-2 para kay Rossi Sena. But here's a slightly guarded ball will stay 30 seconds on the shot clock. Tight battle on this ball game. After this third quarter, 5 minutes has been gone on this ball game. On this quarter, but here's Joshua, Mike and the team, keeping it alive, up and under, raising up on it. Here's Hillman, taking one step down. Out between 3 defenders, stays it up, stays the best, keeping it alive. Here's number 7, out and now. The third on me, unsportsmanlike foul. All players, please proceed to the shaded area in front of your benches. Both teams are advised to observe proper bench decorum. 2 technical free throws will be made for Barangay San Antonio de Padua 2. At the line, shooting 2, Chico Tolentino. Substitution, Desert Dinamo checks in, replacing Mark Stevens. Possession will stay 14 seconds on the shot clock for the Barangay San Antonio de Padua 2. Kicks it out, here's Sena, points it up a 3. Won't go, here's Dexter, out and now, para kay player number 2, here's Pastrana, out this time. That time, will stay. 17 seconds on the shot clock. Here's the main, kicks out once again, Dexter fires. Dexter to number 3. Dexter with a triple to make up the heat. Here's Sito, kicks out once again. New ball movement, shot fake, with Dexter. Here's Sito. Chico Valentino. Warning for the bench. Here's Fabian. 46-44, 2-point lead still for Barangay San Jose. Tolentino fires at this time. But here's number 16. Spins, kicks out, Canton. Here's the ball. Possession will stay for Barangay San Antonio de Padua 2. Almost a good connection para sa brothers on this ball game. But here's Fabian, bigay bola para Stanislao. Here's Hempel on the top of the key, set things up. Off to Joshua. Here's Louis, cross-court passes. In and out, Fabian, between three defenders. Joshua with a quick tray. But here's Anis, taking a quick step now. 3v1. Here's Anis for down low passes, space away. Zero, pushing down from player one is Dexter Demao. Substitution. Timeout. San Antonio de Blanco 2. Player number 26, Generoso Sena. Possession goes into the other. Here's the San Jose. Under the 3 minutes, here's Dexter with a bola. Inside, here's Aris Rodriguez. Laser it in, inside the paint. Aris Rodriguez. Keeping it alive to take the lead para dito sa ating ball game. Here's Joshua with a bola para may Hempel. Here's Stanislao. Crosses inside. Lays it up and in. Hempel is Stanislao. Here's the beat. Cross-court passes. Up to ball deflection. Ball will stay. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. At this time, here's Fabian, taking a quick step. In and out. Spins, kicks out for Chico. 15 on the shot clock. Here's Fabian. Here's Joshua, fires. In and out. Tapping the ball. Here's Joshua, keeping it alive. The third deal is over. The foul is going on player number 2. Foul has been called on player number 2. That is Candola. And a technical foul for player number 2 again. For Giovanni Candola. 5 fouls. Chris Evans getting now and a technical free throw will be made by Joshua Uy. 2 free throws for Joshua Uy. Two free throws for Joshua Uy. That is a 2 out of 3 on the free throw line para Joshua Uy. Here's Christian with an in and out. Attacking the bola para Anis as he buzzes his way through. Drives, gets a foul on here, and the foul has been called on. Player number 26. Substitution. Jobert Lahera checks in, replacing player number 28. That is John Fabian. Work personal deval number 4 at the line, shooting 2, Anis Rodriguez. First shot is inspired by Anis Rodriguez on the free throw line, second throw. Here's Sena bigay bola para kay Joshua. Here's Here's Boy. Inside, kicks out. Once again, obvious communication right there. Leads to a turnover, 52-48. Lead by para sa Barangay San Jose. Here's Evan, off to Hapin, off to Kalinawan. Handed over para kay Christian. Here's Christian, tightly guarded, kicks out. Here's number 4, attacking on those 3 defenders. JP Kalinawan with a quick 2. 1 minute remaining on our third quarter. Good defense para kay Joshua. Kicks out once again. Hand over para kay Joshua. Here's going back for the JP. Up to Epen. Here's Epen. 5 to shoot. Fires a 3. Misses. Here's JP. Big corner para kay Chris. Here's Evan. Extra pass. Alex to lead. Here is Jumper. Big corner para kay Joshua. Here's Boyd. Kicks out, handed over, off the glass, here's Grace, take it with them now, we get ball up between, here's Cherokee, and there will be a whistle, and the fans will go on, later, offensive foul on player number 24, that is Anis Nadine. Offensive foul for player number 4, that is JP Kalinawan for Barangay San Jose. Here's number 12, bigay bola para kay Jumper. Here's Tahera, 15 on the shot clock. Inside passes, there's it also. Looking for him in the pass. Jumper, shot is off. 5 seconds remaining at the game clock. There will be a whistle and fouls to go on player number 12. That is Carlos Sena. Third personal. Between San Jose Barangay, San Antonio de Padua 2. But there will be an early whistle in the foul by player number 29. That will be his 4th personal. And the team foul number 1 para sa team ng Barangay San Antonio de Padua 2. Crossbar passes, here's Athletes once again. 1 dribble goal of Jay. First round. Kicks out once again. Here's Jumper. Mighty guarded. Crosses. Kicks out. 10 on the shot clock. Martin his way through. Down low passes. Deflection. Here's Kalinawan. Here's number 16, Hamid Christian. Attacking up and under is good. Christian Hamid. Here's Matani, trying to guard it. Long 3, once again, not this time. inside passes, not this time. Out it now, here's Batani. Bigay bola kay number 3. Loses it, gets down, Atake, up the last. Jeremy Rizzo, and a penalty foul, a bigger number. 27. Fourth personal. That is Jennings Balobado having a scored personal. Here's Dexter off to Gary Nawan, a 4-3. Best players getting the best pass for the best out. Antonio behind the back passes right there. On number 12, here's Jay. Atake, but there will be a whistle. The bounce will go to player number 1. That is Dexter DeMambo having a second personal. D-Bell number 1 for the guys San Jose. 17 seconds on the shot clock. Here's Jay. Batani on the key. Setting things up. Breaking to the defense. Lays it up. Not this time. Here's Christian. Taking a right step now. 2v3. Here's the thing. Lays it up. Christian. Fourth and final quarter, 7 minutes and 58 seconds remaining on our game number 2, the last game of the day of this Interbarangay Sports Tournament 2025 Basketball Seniors Division. Here's Joshua, but there will be an offensive blocking foul by a player number 26. That is Generosa Sena, 5 fouls. Here's number 16 to give bola para kay Dexter. Down low passes deflected. Ball was played. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Here's Alice looking for a teammate to pass. Bigay bola para kay Kalinawan. Here's Chris. Takes out para kay Christian. Bigay bola para kay JP. Off to Dexter. Tumama for 3. Misfires off to Evan. Bigay bola para kay Christian. Here's Alice. Spins. Loses it. Christian giving it the 9. Something down to the 5. Out it now. Here's Fabian for 3. John Fabian 3. Here's Dexter. Gets out. Simon Tracy. Not this time. Here's Alice with a right open shot. Sees the point into a 6-1 on the lead. The lead is 10-8. Here's Fabian. On the hesitation. Through this. There will be a whistle. And the pressure foul has been made. Foul by player number 24. Batman is Stanislav. That would be his third personal. Moving speed will be definitely an effective foul. But here's Kalinawa in a down-low ball taker. JP with a counter and one finish and a foul by player number 30. That is Joshua Uy. Having his third personal. At the line, shooting the bonus, JP Kalinawan. Out and now, here's Fabian taking the leather. Gets out once again, 4-3. Fires, not this time. Battling for the rebound, here's Hep. Bigay bola para kay Kalinawan. 15 on the shot clock. Here's Chris. Evans on the move. Forces the shot. There will be a whistle. Balance the call on player number 28. That is John Carnicovian having his second personal in the team foul. Chelsea at the line shooting 2. Chris Evans, Kalinawan. Is a 2-4-2 by Chris Evans. Kalinawan, here's Evans tightly guarded by Alice, but there will be a basket count and a counter and one finish. Basket counts for Hempel and Stanislaw, and the ball has been called on Alice with lead. Second personal team foul, number 2 at the line. Shooting the ball is Hempel and Stanislaw. One to veteran para sa ating barangay San Antonio de Padua. Hempel and Stanislaw. Here's Kalinawan, the ball by Christian. Off the Chris, kicks out, hanging over. Here's JP. Not in my house. Inside passes. Second half foul has been called on player number 16 for a second to a call. Christian Habina, 5 fouls. (65-61), it is a 4-point game. Para sa Barangay San Jose. Here's this. Take a one step, takes it out. Here's Michael Apil with Jay. Michael Apil. Here's Hempel trying to stop by Michael. Hempel on the left wing. Forces. Hempel is down. The penalty called on player number 21, that will be his third personal. Now penalty at the line, shooting the bonus. Hempel is Stanislaw. Hempel Stanislaw is one of the veteran players from Barangay San Antonio de Padua too. At this game, he makes sure that he scores every time he has the leather. But here's Chris. With a ball on here's the Lambo, spins away, loses it. Possession goes into the other. There will be a whistle and a foul has been called on player number 28. That is John Carnicovian. Here's Michael trying to guard this by Habib, and there will be a whistle. A holding foul has been called on player number 28. That will be his fourth personal penalty at the line, shooting to Michael Habib. The first shot is good, talented Michael Habib. Here's Fabian, in and out crosses, spins away, quick hands-off, shot fake, here's Chito, in and out. Here's Fabian, almost losing his balance, stands to shoot. Here's Joshua, up to Chito, but a deep goes. At that point, and there is no whistle on the ground, player number 77, that is Chris Evans, getting that one, having his first personal. Team foul penalty at the line, shooting to Chito Tolentino. Chito Valentino, and the lead is down at the 4. 69-64 as our running score. Crossback passes. Here's Michael with a quick save, and there will be a whistle, and a foul will be called on player number 24. That is Hempel, is now having his fourth personal penalty. Substitution. Passes to the Vikings here, replacing Chris Evans getting that one at the line, shooting to Michael Habib. And first shot misses by Michael Habib on the free throw line, second throw. Here is Hempel as he takes the rebound. Not this time, but the line again. Possessor closing together. 21 seconds on the shot clock. Here's the third line. Over, here is Diana. Down low passes, here is number 1, Chito. Step back, inside, kicks out, one to shoot. And from this goal, really finishing in the position, leads to a third over. Here's Mr. Guy, taking a quick step now, on the run, lays it off, no good. Here's Joshua, as he takes the rebound, up to the hill for three. At the line, shooting 2,
Joshua Uli. Countdown na po si Gandola, number 2.
That is a 2-4-2. Loses it, 2 points left. Inside, 6 out, 5 out, 4-3, 6 out, 1-1. And Central balancing ball to the bench of Barangay San Antonio de Pedro 2 for improper bench field. Diamond Suglerson. Last 2 balls. It's out there, Alice. Inside, versus here's Joshua now on the top of the key as he sends things up. Mighty Boy again. Here's Joshua, plays inside, drive. Into 73 as our running score at the line, shooting the last free throw, Joshua Uli. 1 out of 2 by Joshua on the free throw line. Here's Alice, thank you for the great drive. Here's Heston, plays it up, plays it live. The ball will be now whistled, and the foul has been called on player number. The foul has been called on player number. achieving an 1-second personal penalty. At line shooting 2, Joker Kahema. First shot misses. Yung flashlight mo, pakibagay. Again, flashlight mo, pakibagay. And your last second of 73. Here's JP, bigay bola para kay Mark. Stevens with a Mark 77-73. Here's number 7 to give bola kami. Kapag yan, double passes, here's David. Stay away. Here's Mark Stevens, double passes. Here's Andy Stevens. Now it's his through for Michael. Here's Michael. Takes out inside. Here's our line on the line, stand and shoot. Here's
Rest.